Hi, my name's Leslie, and I'm going to introduce you to the newest product from Saranghae, the Exfoliating Matcha Mask. Everyone knows that exfoliation is one of the most important steps in any beauty routine. I'm going to share with you how this gentle skin polishing formula also helps to calm and soothe with antioxidant protection. Begin with a perfectly cleaned and dry face. Using a nickel-sized amount of product, gently massage the creamy matcha mask in circular motions, focusing on the T-zone or areas with rough texture. After 20 to 30 seconds of massaging, spread the matcha mask into an even layer all over the face. If your skin is sensitive or fragile, immediately apply the matcha mask in an even layer all over the face without any massaging action. Allow the mask to sit on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently rinse off the mask with tepid water and circular motions. Use a damp cloth or towel to wipe away any remaining traces of the mask. For best results, we recommend using the Exfoliating Matcha Mask 1 or 2 times per week. Follow with the perfect balanced toner and the rest of your daily routine.